Frequencies. Should I use a high frequency or a low frequency? I think there's a little bit of misconception out there on how this works. Let's talk about it. Let's go. So, low frequencies are the best for high conductors, and high frequencies are the best for low conductors, right? Not exactly. That's not exactly how it works. All right, here's the deal. All right, low frequencies penetrate the ground deeper. That is a fact. All right. And that is the reason to use low frequency. Okay. That is the reason. High frequencies are good with all conductors and all size targets. Okay. They don't penetrate the ground as well as low frequencies. So, let's just say high frequencies penetrated the ground just as good as low frequencies, which is not true. But you would never need low frequencies because high frequencies will catch high conductors and low conductors just fine. Okay, high frequency is good for all conductors and all targets. It just is not as deep. Okay, low frequency goes deeper, penetrates into the ground. Okay, but low frequency also has a caveat that it works better on high conductors than it does on low conductors. Okay. And it works on larger targets better than it does on small targets. You see the difference there? It's a small detail, it's a little bit technical, but hey, it is what it is. All right. It's important that you understand what these frequencies are for and what they really do and how they really behave. Um, That's why it's kind of tough to find small, low conductors if they're deeper, because you've got to use a low frequency to go deeper, but it doesn't lend itself to low conductors or small targets. All right. That's why multi frequency, simultaneous multi frequency is great because it's giving you the depth with the low end of the frequency scale, and it uses its high frequencies to catch the more shallow targets. And that's the whole benefit of multi frequency is you don't have to choose. Anyway, short video here. Appreciate you watching. Thanks a lot. Have a great day, everybody, and swing away.